Today, your Farmington Give Day donation powers our mission and enables our high degree of purpose. We are asking you to join many others to help us raise $500,000 for Miss Porter's school.
Why make a donation? Because the annual fund powers change in real time. At Miss Porter's, every day we see the whole person, the whole girl, from the day of her first visit to Farmington to the day she completes her unique journey and becomes an agent.
Today's students use their developing power to take intellectual risks in the classroom, push their physical limits on the athletic fields, and freely express the full power of their voices and spirits in every aspect of their lives.
We need your financial commitment so that Miss Porter's is here for students today
and for the future. Please donate as generously as you can and power the transformative impact of an MPS education.
At Miss Porter's School, we are deeply committed to preparing women to navigate and shape our changing world, and to do it with confidence, with courage, and with conviction. I know for sure that the world needs what our graduates are prepared to do.